ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಭಾರತವನ್ನ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷ ಜನರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಐಕ್ಯತೆಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಬೆಂಬಲವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಡೀ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕರ ಜೊತೆಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕೋದನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಭಾರತವನ್ನ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷ ಜನರಿಗೆ
ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಲಾ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ, ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಲಾ, equal protection of law. So that is a basic principle under the Constitution, Indian Constitution. Baba Sahib Ambedkar ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ನೀಡತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ರಾಜಕೀಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ರಚನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಕೋಮುವಾದಿಗಳ ಕೈಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಸಿಕ್ಕದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಒಡೆಯತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಾತಿ ಧರ್ಮದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ದೇಶ ಜನರನ್ನ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳು ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಜನರ ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳು ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾರತೀಯರು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ, ಸಮಾನತೆ, ಭ್ರಾತೃತ್ವ.
About 600 leaders have joined at a meeting in Udaipur. A conclave, Chintan Shivur was being held at Udaipur. 600 leaders under the leadership of Srimati Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi decided that we should unite India. So Bharat Jodo Yatra was being decided. So on this Bharat Jodo Yatra, 3,501 kilometer, Rahul Gandhi has accepted to lead the Yatra and he will walk the streets of this country. This is the main purpose, to unite India, have peace, to make this country a strong, progressive, vibrant nation which was there from the day one of independence with an historic fighting against the British rule. India and the Congress Party has been fought. We want to bring back the same glory to this country. So it has been decided to have Padayatra of the in every district about 75 kilometers. That was been decided at the time of our Udaipur session. I think in every district, apart from 75, nearly more than 400, 500 kilometers they have walked. Leaders have walked with the national flag. They have met the people. They have discussed their problem. They have collected their views, and all these things are going on in the entire state. So I would like to thank and congratulate all my leaders of the state who have taken this very noble cause to reach the people, the common man, to know their pain to know their pain and their suffering and see that they all be kept united. And on the 15th also it was been decided to have a very massive Tiranga Yatra at the national state level. So on that direction, I think your eyes and your cameras have witnessed how people participated, from where they came. The younger generation, it is about 74% were within the age group of 35. Within 35, we have the statistics. We know who all came, how many came, from which channel they came, how they traveled. Every single participant also, more or less, I think 90% we are covered with this. So this will begin on more or less, this Yatra will start from 7th September from Kanyakumari. Rahulji will visit 7th morning at Sriperumur, at the place of where Rajivji was been assassinated. He will visit there, pay his respect to that last birthplace. Then he will go on to Kanyakumari. From Kanyakumari, he will start the Yatra with already Mr. Hariprasad has explained that. Then from Karnataka, they will start from 29th September, 510 kilometers from Gundlupet to Raichur. From Raichur, the route has been given to you. The reason of this Yatra is, the first issue is to maintain communal harmony and peace. Shantiya Tota. Second is to protect the entire rights of all the unemployment problem which is there for youngsters in this state. Number third is that see that all government, the women of this state, the housewives of the state who have been suffering due to the price rise will be protected, and due to their economic condition, we want to see that their economic condition will be dropped. The third is the Karnataka will give a good governance, a government with a corruption-free government with a good governance. Number fourth is the farmers, protecting the farmer right, giving proper prices to the who have been growing, who have been either in the form of milk or vegetable or fruits or whatever the crops is being grown, giving them very balanced price so that they should not be deprived. The Honorable Prime Minister has assured that he is going to double the income of the farmers, which they have ultimately required. We are just looking at it. These are the major 5 issues. The hand belongs to 5 fingers. The 5 fingers belong to 5 hands. These are the 5 issues which the main reason behind the Yatra, and various other state issues also will be taken into consideration. We want to know the pain of the people. We want to know the pain of the women, youths, laborers, and at last to uphold the constitution and the democracy.
All India Congress Committee is launching a Bharat Jodo Yatra from 7th of September from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. About 125 Bharat Yatris, 125 state Yatris and Atiti Yatris. 300 people will walk through the 3,500 kilometers to instill confidence among the people of this country. The mistrust has to go. That's the idea, where people, to mitigate the sufferings of the people. And it is passing through Karnataka on from 30th September to 19th September for 21 days in 8 districts. Entire state will participate in this Padayatra along with Rahul Gandhi.